This is corn season. Let's make some boiled corn and pear. I got some fresh corns here, and I'm going to pair this corn with African pear. This is my pear. I love pears a lot. These ones that are very dark are well ripe, while this one that is mixed, not so ripe, but I love them. I prefer the mixed one. The first thing I'll be doing is to peel the corn. Get the peels off before boiling. This is Obi Kitchen and you're welcome to my channel. If you're just stopping by for the first time, like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Corn boil is so simple to make. It is an easy recipe. So today I'll be showing you how I boil my corn and make the African pear. After peeling the corn, I'll be transferring them into a pot to cook. Do you love eating corn like me? How do you like to pair your corn? Is it with pear or coconut? Some eat it with groundnuts. I am done peeling the corns now. Let me trash the peels. Then the next thing will be getting my pot on the fire. Then I'll be transferring the corn, the peeled corn, into the pot. Corn is a roadside food found on the streets of Nigeria during the harvest season. That is corn season. You can get it freshly boiled or roasted. I'm adding some water into the pot now. Then I'll be adding some salt and cover to cook. I will let this corn cook for 20 minutes. Then time to prepare the pear. This is African pear. African pear contains a lot of healthy fats and vitamins. I'll first of all wash it properly. Before preparing it, I have to wash it very well to be free of sand or dirt. While the corn is boiling, I'll be washing the pear thoroughly. I'm going to wash it twice to make sure it is clean, properly cleaned. There are several ways you can use to prepare your pear. You can use hot water to prepare it, or you roast it. But while roasting, be careful not to overcook, because when it overcooks, it stiffens up. It will become too strong. This recipe, I'm going to use hot water for this one. So after washing the pears, I'll transfer it into the bowl, then get boiled water and pour over the pears inside the bowl. Then after doing that, I will cover it up and allow it to rest for a minute. After 1 minute, I'll use my spoon and give it a stir. Stir to turn very well so that it will cook evenly. After that, I'll be covering it up again for another 1 minute. That is 2 minutes. 2 minutes is enough for your pear to cook. The pear is ready now. This is after 2 minutes. I just give it a stir, bring out one and check. It's soft now. To know when your pear is cooked is some of them will have a crack, while some won't have a crack, but it will be very soft and tender. It's soft now, soft and creamy, very delicious. It tastes sour a little bit and very creamy. It is so delicious and highly nutritious. So now my pear is ready. I'll get them off the hot water Careful not to overcook. Once it is soft and ready, you bring them out of the water. If you allow them to stay too long, they will overcook. Look at the two-colored pear, my best. I love this one. After removing them from the hot water, allow the pears to sit in the plate uncovered. Don't cover them up. Now I'll be checking the corn on the fire to see how it's cooking. I'll use my spoon to give it a stir. I'll be turning the corn. The ones up, I'll push them down, and the ones down, I will bring them up to make sure the whole corn cooks evenly. So I'll raise this one. See this one with one. See the space. After turning the corn, I will cover the pot and give it more time to cook because it's not yet 20 minutes. It's 20 minutes now, and I'm here to check the corn. I'll just pick one, this one. It's cooked now. I'll be turning off the heat and pick them out from the pot. How do you boil your corn? Do you peel your corn before boiling, or you boil them with the peels on? I would like to know how you prepare yours in the comment section. Our boiled corn is ready, and I will be pairing and enjoying it with my African pear. If you like this recipe, share this video, give me a like, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more easy food recipes. Turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks to my returning subscribers, and thanks to everyone. I love you all. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.